everybody, this is Sherry with CPR, Craft, Pray, Repeat. And I just wanted to share another set of Christmas tags. I've got several sets ready to share with you over the next week. And I hope that you enjoy them, they inspire you, and that you find something that you might want to use to whip up some Christmas tags for you and your family real quick. And I'll be right back with my first tag. Alright everybody, this is my first tag. I just used a die that I was gifted. It's an old, I believe it's retired, but it's an old Sizzix Biggs die, and I cut out the ornament. I colored it up with my Copics for the bulb. I used R39, 29, and 17. I used my white Pan Pastels to put the little glint or the shine that would be on the bulb. Some silver cardstock up here for the top. Just a plain and simple tag base using the paper pad that came in one of the Queen & Company sets that Lisa gifted me. And on the back is the to and from. And I just added another top just to kind of decorate the back up so it didn't look quite so plain. I used some of my green Memento inks and to match the green on the front. And there is my very first tag. Give me 1 second and I'll share the second one with you. Alright everybody, for this second set or tag, I used this Happy Holidays kit from Queen & Company that was gifted to me by Lisa. And I used the papers from here, the dies from here, and the little filler beads that are in there I used from here. And this is my tag. I absolutely love how it turned out. It was really easy to do. Everything comes in that kit, including the acetate. It's got the little red and green balls. But I don't know if you're going to be able to see on the camera, but there's also little crystal gemstones that look like little diamonds. There, you can kind of see them right there. They look like little diamonds. They're so cute. I just added a snowflake punch that I had in my stash. I layered it up a couple times to just kind of dress up the sleigh and put a Stampin' Up! Pearl there in the center. I used silver metallic paper that is from my stash, but the rest of these papers, including the one the sleigh is cut out from, is from that kit. I used some red elastic cord for the top, or to tie it on with, and then it's got the to and from. And then I used, let's see, it was a CC Designs, this one. It's called Winter Chuckles, and I used this one, sled parking only. Others will be snowballed, to go across the bottom. This was retired, and they had it clearanced out, so I've had it for a couple years. But I thought it went really cute with the little sled there. And that is my second tag. And my third one, I think you're really going to like, so hang on. Alright everybody, I'm back with my third tag. This is a digital image from Whimsy Stamps. I stamped it on. I colored it up with my Copics. I was trying several different color families to try to find, or different shades in the browns to see what I could find that I liked. So, I didn't find any that really made me happy, but I still think they turned out okay. So I'm going to share them with you. And I just used this Marvy Snow Rider for the icing on the little gingerbread. I put glossy accents on the candy up here so it looked like it was, the color was reflecting off of the wrapper, the shine. I don't have any gel pens. All mine are dead except for my white, which I use faithfully. So I used my daughter's Prismacolor pencils and put the little green lines in. I did all of the candy canes. I did several of these and did all of the candy canes in different shades of reds and other colors. So I mean, any colors you want. You're doing whatever matches your color scheme or what you're looking for. I just added some gold bells up here at the top with a little red and white twine to tie them on with. And then I used some red elastic cording again. Just a tag from my stash. And then on the back, since I've got the to and from up here, I printed out some paper, some digital paper. I used the Knitwick Collections Kringle and Company, and it's got little Santas and gingerbread, snowman, teddy bears. So I thought that went with the gingerbread on the front. And that was it, guys. These were so much fun. I used my black glaze pen for the eyes. I did use my Micron pen to go over the black, because once you color over those lines for the little eyebrows and smiley face, they're not quite as crisp. So I did go over them. I used my Pan Pastel to put the shine on the candy cane. And that was it, guys. It was done really fast, and it was just a really quick and simple tag to make. And if you have any questions, leave them below. I will do my best to link everything that I can. I know I can link this. I don't know if this is still available, and this is retired. All three of these background tags are from Whimsy. If they're still, or not Whimsy, AliExpress. And if they're still available, I will link them for you. And if you have any questions, leave them below. Please let me know which is your favorite. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And remember to practice your CPR, craft, pray, repeat. Thanks for visiting me today, and happy crafting. Love you all. Bye.